First match after lunch. Yay, we are on time. We have red moving, but they cannot score a mobile base. Neither does blue, so there will be no autonomous. No autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. All 4 robots moving here. This is match 37 on our way to match 48. So we have blue picking up a blue mobile base. That's 2587G, the DiscoBots, trying to get it in the 20-point zone. And they do. Nicely done there by the DiscoBots. So blue takes a 20-point lead there very quickly. Red, we have 2587 that had, or 285Z that seems to be disabled. Their partner was trying to kickstart them there, but they can't get it done. And 285Z has put down their controller and has called it a match. So we have 1v2 now for blue. Blue has a second mobile base scored. 43 seconds left to go in this match. Here comes a third mobile goal, 2587G. Oh, they knock off their toes, but they get the 10 points anyway. Now 285Zs wake up, and they have their robot moving. They get quick 20 points. Let's see if they can catch up here in the last 20 seconds. They got to get 2 red bases to match this up. 12 seconds to go. 2587Z with 6 seconds. Trying to put that second one in. They get it in. Both blue are parked. Close match, but I believe blue took that one. All right, this is match number 38. Let's see who's on the field. 285A and 1718EB will go against 7816P and